Hello guys, this is Follow Your Dream. I'm Cindy Lopez. I told you a couple minutes ago it's gonna be tornado. Where the tornado go? Sunny. Look at the sun. Sunny. Okay, weather people. But you said it's gonna be tornado. Specific because you said something, God said something. Say something else. It's beautiful, it's warm, the sea right here, the office, sun, everything's fine. Now I'm walking to check it out my mail. Nobody in the pool. It's gonna be nice to get in the pool again. Okay, something important? No, maybe nothing important. Okay, now walking to home. That's the office. Walking around. I want some pop, but I don't have money. Oh, that's so cute. Flowers. Beautiful, beautiful flowers. I'm not too close to the pot machine. That's the office. That's the giant tree. That's the sun. That's from my apartments. And it says heat. He said not tornado, and then he said gonna be alarm to hot. It's between today and tomorrow and Saturday. It's gonna be so hot. You're not able to go outside, doing nothing. I'm so mad about the weather, but I can't be mad because that's God creation. When God decided something, the weather guy said, "Oh, what happened with the weather?" I'm doing wrong thing. Get out first. Excuse me. Oh, now we go home. My house again. I'm inside my house. Get my sunglasses. My glasses. Sorry for you can't see anything with these. Right here. Off. And my shoes off. I'm not sure it was something cool, but I'm gonna do it on the light first. And you can see what I did. Something cool. I do two things. When I do that, you can see that that's piece of art. What the design for it's a book. That one. That's one to draw. I do a couple days ago. Try to bring it to my job, but I don't feel bring it to my job because he said that's not art. That's that bunch of stuff. Oh, I forgot how. Let me guess something sweet. Oh, I know what I'm gonna guess. Cheesecake. Piece of cheesecake I made 2 days ago. I'm gonna eat that. And I'm not gonna drink because I put water in the fridge. And use frozen. But I can get this and eat it with a cheesecake. Take a couple things off. No, I'm not gonna eat a couple things round. Man, that's so hot. Jesus. I think I'm gonna take a bath. So hot you can right my that did not come too high. Probably gonna be gonna come on high because I so put the air conditioner so much. I don't know why not. Now I'll put this right here. Okay, guess water. Warm water. And water myself. A little bit. This water. It's a little bit cold water. Okay, guys. I wanna make a question to you. Two questions. One, what you doing was too hot. What you doing? And the second one, what you doing to take the heater off? Because he said it's alarm heat between today, tomorrow, and Saturday. It's supposed to tornado and turn this. Change the weather. It's sunny. Sun come up and that's hot again. But what I say is the weather says something, God turn like that. A beautiful day, a wonderful day. You know, God do it. God created everything. He know what to do. He know what the best was, and he know everything. You know, but that's so hot. You can see I put water myself, and that's enough. But remember, guys, subscribe. Put attention if you like the video. Every time I make a new video, press the bell. See notification every time I make a new videos. Find me Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. And please subscribe. You like the videos? I'm gonna make a different videos soon. And winter I'm gonna make a lot of videos. I know I'm not recording too much is because it's so hot. I'm not able to do that because it's too hot. But I do everything my best. Making 2 videos one day or 3 videos in one day. That's it. You have different videos to watch. But remember, I love you. God bless you. Be safe and please see you next time.